y'all, just a quick and dirty video today. Sometimes when you don't got no AC in your Lincoln Mark VIII, it's not because the blower motor's bad. It's spinning happily up in there. But because of this fella right here. Now, the nice thing about this part number is this is specific to the Mark VIII 97, 98 models. This part number didn't die with the Mark VIII. It lived on up until the 07 Taurus and Sable. Now, from AutoZone and Rock Auto, this part's like $100. I walked out of the junkyard with one out of these out of an 07 Ford Taurus for $10. See it spinning? You can see it hooked up happily right there just to test to make sure that's what it was. And it just very simply lives right up in there. There's 2 bolts on that harness. You can see mine's a little rusty. 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there. And it just slides into these pop tabs on the side. You get the old one out, you just push it down and it pops right out. And you've got 3 of these little plastic body clips that hold your passenger side register is what they call it in. And then you just put that back in and screw them back up. Yeah, pretty easy. Took me all about 7 minutes.